Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make Android keyboard bigger. Here are the clear steps for making the Android keyboard bigger. First, open an app that uses the keyboard. Launch an app like Google Chrome or Messages where you can type. Tap on the text field or search bar. This brings up on-screen keyboard. Wait for the keyboard to appear. The keyboard will pop up from the bottom of your screen. Tap the full square icon or menu, usually located at the toolbar of the keyboard. Select Resize. This option lets you adjust the height of your keyboard. Drag the top border upwards. Slide the mini line at the top edge of the keyboard upward to enlarge it. Find a comfortable height. Adjust until it feels comfortable and readable for you. Tap Done or Save. Confirm the resize to apply the changes. Test the new keyboard size. Try typing in the text field. You'll notice larger keys and better visibility. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.